Welcome to another video of Don't Ya Hate It When? Today's episode, don't you hate it when people sneeze on you? I mean, like, seriously. I hate it when people sneeze on you. Like, cover your mouth. Do you have an arm to cover that snot with? Like, seriously, do you really feel the need to sneeze all over the place and just leave your DNA all over me and all over everywhere else? And yeah, like, I'll just be walking down the street just like a normal random person, and some person whom I don't know will just be like, oh, really, man? Really? And I'm just standing there like, cover your mouth. Like, is it really that hard? Is it? And their sneeze will never just be like this teeny little thing. It's always like the like mist setting on the Windex bottle. Like, what is that other kind anyways? Like laser mode? What do you use that for? Like, this is seriously what their sneeze feels like to me. Like gross. But what is that other kind? Like Windex? Like laser mode? Like, what? What do you use that for? Mount like a sniper scope on it and be like, best day in 3 clicks? Ah, missed. Going again. Got it. Let's go home, boys. Like, what? But seriously, I hate it when people sneeze on me. Like, have the courtesy to cover your mouth, or like, even apologize for it. Like, they just keep walking by, and it's just like, hello, you just like covered my face with your snot. Would you like to apologize to me, or just act like nothing happened? Because something did, and it was kind of nasty. So yeah, I guess the point of this video is I hate it when people sneeze on me, because I think it's just the common sense to cover your mouth. Like, really? God loves you.